Today's practice, we're going to do the warm-up exercises called Radio Tazo. They come to us from Japan. And it's about a dozen movements, very simple, and each one for about a minute, just to get our chi flowing, our body moving, our joints, muscles, ligaments, tendons, all ready for whatever the day brings us. So you might like to just start by just finding your connection with the ground, not press through the toes, through the heels, through the balls of the feet. You might take a sigh and just allow yourself to arrive into this practice. Let's start. We're going to turn our palms, lifting up in front of the body. And when the hands are above the head, rotate the arms so the palms turn down and then sink down. Find a rhythm, moving with your breath. We're lifting up, breathing in, welcoming in. And we're sighing out, sinking down. Spine is straight. Back of the knees are soft. Keep going. Find a rhythm with your breath. And the second exercise, we bring our heels together. Toes can turn out just a little. And we're going to take our arms out wide as we drop our tailbone down. Inhale to sweep the arms back. So just find a rhythm here. It doesn't matter how low you go. Spine stays straight. Crown of the head lifts up. Be strong and stable. We need our ankles, our knee joints all working for us. So just notice how stable you feel through the lower body. And hopefully how light you feel in the upper body. And when you're ready, coming back to center, let's take our feet shoulder width apart again. This time we're going to lean into one side. And this is a movement just with our arms. Let your arm be heavy. Roll it back 2 circles. Tap the shoulder, then roll it forward 2 circles. And try and let it be as heavy as can be. No effort. Notice your breath. And we'll roll to the other side, shift our weight onto that leg. 2 circles back, 2 circles forward. And we'll shift our weight back into the middle. This time we're going to take both arms out wide, breath in, And then we're going to swing one arm in front, one arm behind. Roll the shoulders, roll the hips back. Notice the weight going into the back of the body. Eyes might follow the fingertips as they swing across the body. And when you're ready, let's meet back at the center. Now we'll do a lateral stretch through our side body. Take one arm up, reach it across, and we're going to keep pulsing on this side. So one arm drops down the side of the leg, the other one reaches over. Let your body find whatever range of movement might work for you. And we'll come back up. This time we'll roll our whole upper body down. Just let it be heavy. Maybe a deep sigh. When you're ready, press through the feet and curl up. Keeping stable in the lower body, you might roll the shoulder blades in and maybe look up. Let's keep going. Roll down, sigh out. Find a rhythm with your own breath. Might be the last one. And coming back to stand. Let's let our arms be heavy. Just allow them to knock against the body. You might like to press down through the feet. Feel that stable, sturdy lower body, just like the trunk of the tree. You might become aware of, as the arms knock against the body, we're just stimulating points on our bladder meridian, around our kidneys, around our stomach and spleen, our earth element. And we're going to extend this now by lifting one heel and reaching above the opposite shoulder. Eyes follow the fingers. And then just let the arms slowly come down. And we'll return back to the center. This time we'll tap shoulders. lift up, and then tap shoulders, swing the arms behind. All right, now we're going to let the body roll down again. Straighten the left leg, lift the left arm up to the side or above, and then roll back down. Straighten the right leg, lift the right shoulder back. Keep the head heavy. See if you can stack the shoulders as you twist side from side. Let's do one more each side. And we'll slowly roll back up. You might like to just lift your hips, just to lift your heels, just a little jump. And keep your toes on the ground. Make sure you feel stable and steady. And then just letting your body settle, letting your chi settle. We'll come back right where we started, lifting up, letting go. So in Japan, when you see people do these radio tazo exercises, they often have music and they'll move through them quite quickly, maybe just 5 or 10 minutes at the start of their school day or their work day. A few slight modifications in this set. But anytime you're about to do anything where you need a bit of energy, instead of rushing for a coffee or a donut, you might just like to do these exercises. And when you're ready, we'll bring our palms back onto the body. You might like to take a moment just to notice how you feel. Maybe a little more oxygen flowing through the blood. Every cell in our body hungry for new oxygen. Maybe bringing a little more clarity to our next decision. Maybe giving us a little more energy for whatever our day involves. Let's draw palms together as we always do. Just thank for shared practice today.